Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change the color of your Clevetura CLVX S. Let's begin. So, as you can see, currently we have default colors set up. We have the typical white for touch area, which you can see is working without any issues, but I kind of lost my cursor here. There it is. We have the typical blue for keys, and we have some other things like touch sliders, but we can fully customize the colors. And we can do that by just heading into this light icon, which is for backlight. Now, if we click either of the touch sliders, you can just change them colors. So I will actually leave them as as yellow and purple, just because I think that this is I like them. I like these colors. However, I'm going to choose, for example, our normal background color to be something like this little, maybe orange thing. And please take note that this all is changing live. And when we're typing, I'm going to change it to this nice red color, which we can see here. And also we have this gesture area of touch. I think I'm going to go and change it to, let's make it slightly more pink. And whenever we click something, well, actually the green is kind of working, but I will bump up the trace. And now, as you can see, we are leaving this nice trace behind of green when we're using it. And let me simply disable the let me simply disable the type area for you. We have this nice orange looking color, and whenever we try to actually the application disappeared. We need to have it enabled in the background. Okay, never mind. We cannot minimize this application for some reason, which is very annoying, and I don't think we can actually I don't think we can actually disable this, but we want to go into our keypad here. Okay, this is kind of dumb. Why my colors are sometimes working, sometimes not. Never mind. We want to go into our, for example, this, and as you can see, the colors are back once again. And I believe that this is just the issue of the application, because this technically should be working. As you can see, we have this set, and this is, well, we don't maybe want this set to high, and it's saved, but we can make it so it's now global. So now we are actually going to change when everything is going to work. So we can once again change it to, for example, this orange, the typing color, let's make it red. Let's make the touch area a little bit more pink, and the gesture can still be green, but I will bump up the high here. And I think that's all for the customization. And now, whenever I will go to my notepad here, as you can see, the colors are staying. So I was mistaken, sorry. And now when we type something, we can see this nice red color. I can make it so we have shadow, and I can click it, and you should see nice red. Of course, if you want to bump up when and how long this appears, we can, I think, lower down the duration to low. And now when we click it, actually it's even faster, so never mind. The high is the longest possible, or maybe not, I don't know. But whenever we click, we can see that we leave this nice red trail behind. And whenever I will unlock my cursor, we also have this nice green trace that is following me whenever I will use my mouse pad. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.